Welcome, friends. Today's our topic is elements of IMC, that is integrated marketing communication. Integrated marketing communication is a part of advertising only, or advertising is a part of integrated marketing communication. We can say in that way. Elements means parts. These are the various parts. You can see here advertising, sales promotion, public relations, personal selling, publicity, packaging, direct marketing, sponsorship, trade fairs, and exhibitions are the elements of integrated marketing communication. And you can see the pictures also, which will explain us. You can see that Coca-Cola ad, which is showing through Facebook, Google, McDonald's, Amazon. These are our these are our advertising elements. Then you can see sales promotion: buy one get one free, or buy two get one free, or 50% off. These are the techniques of sales promotion. Next is public relation. Public relation also, you can see the small kind of representation of that: news, promotion, information, internet, press, message, groups are the part of public relation. Personal selling. Personal selling is one to one selling. You can see here a closer look at personal selling in the commerce era. That is the example of personal selling. Then comes your free publicity, industry news sources, media outlets, etc. Packaging. Packaging plays a very important part. Types of packaging. A detailed guide is a example of packaging. Direct marketing, as you can see, there is an example of that. Sponsorship. You all know, for different events like IPL or any award show, Filmfare award show, and all, many sponsors are there. What they do, they are sponsoring the event. Then comes here trade fairs and exhibitions. So we are going to discuss about these elements now through further slides. As you can see, our first slide, which is going to tell us about sales promotion. What is sales promotion? You can see various of advertisements are seen. McDonald's ad, $100 McDonald's gift card, get free. Then enter your email and you will get the free card. Then you can see here Docomo, MTV. Then you can see sale. The one who is lucky will get 50% off. Then Pods detergent, the one Tide Pods, new advertisement of Tide. So this is how they are promoting the sale. How they are promoting? They are highlighting the quality, either the price or some offers, attractive offers, and through that they are promoting the sale. We can see, to understand better what is sales promotion. In this slide, it is shown the set of marketing activities undertaken to boost sales of the product or service. Means either you're going to sell a product or you're going to sell a service, whatever. So for selling a product or service, what kind of activities you are conducting is called as sales promotion. Sales promotion is the process of persuading a potential customer to buy the product. As you can see here, what they do, they persuade, they motivate, they attract the consumer to buy the particular product. Now, what are the tools of sales promotion? Rapid growth. First of all, rapid growth of sales promotion, you can see certain tools are increased, and due to those tools, the organizations get help of that. We will see the tools in later slide. First, we'll see the rapid growth of sales promotion in different areas, different fields for different people, like manufacturers, distributors, retailers, not for profit institutions like NGOs. Not for profit means their main aim is not profit. Their main aim is social work or social cause or welfare of the people, or targeted towards final buyers. These are the one who promotes the sale and who are responsible for the rapid growth. Okay, first we'll see the various uses of sales promotion. You can see, due to sales promotion, what is the first use? It helps to introduce new products in the market. Whatever new things new company want to enter the market, they need to go for sales promotion. They have to do lots of promotion. For example, like the latest movie which has been released last Friday, that was Shakuntala Devi, a great mathematician. So what they did, they had tried all the medias to promote their product. Their product was movie, and the movie should reach to everyone, and it should create a profit, and it should reach to all the people, those who are staying in our country, not only in our country but through other country people also. The medium they have used is internet, so more, everyone can view that. During this pandemic also, it should not affect the movie. And this is how what they have done, they have introduced new products through different ways of promotion. Next is get exciting customers to buy more. Sorry, get existing customers to buy more, means whichever customers which are already existing for that particular brand, but they should come and buy more and more products. For that, we need to use sales promotion as an important tool. If we are going to promote sales through different ways, uh, customers will get excited and they will buy the product. Attract new customers. First, we spoke about existing. Already, the customers are there for them also, as well as now we want new more customers. So, to attract new customers, sales promotion is very useful. Maintain sales in off season. Sales promotion, yes, here it is very important and useful for maintaining during off season. Off season means not a festival, nothing, but then also sales should go on. For that also, sales promotion is very important tool. Our next point is to increase retail inventories. Inventories means their stock. To increase the stock, retail stock. Retail means small shops. You can see retailers. The one who sells small quantity products, products in small quantity, not in wholesale quantity or not in large quantity. Those are retailers. They have their stock. To increase their stock, if through sales promotion demand will increase, they can increase their stock also. Then comes time advertising and personal selling. What we are supposed to do? Advertising and personal selling. To make a tie in that, sales promotion helps. Next is enhance personal selling. Obviously, sales promotion is the tool which helps in advertising, which enhance personal selling, and which helps to face the competition at large. So, to combat the competition, sales promotion is very useful. Next comes our tools of sales promotion. There are two types. You can see consumer oriented promotional tools and trade oriented. Trade means business oriented. Now, consumer means for consuming the particular product. As consumer oriented, you can see the examples are also over there. First is free sample. When we get free sample, we love that. As a customer, we love all the free samples. And when we see the free sample, if it is attractive, we buy the product. So this is one of the consumer oriented promotion tools. Next, coupons. We get coupons for further use. Today we have purchased the product, but in future, after within a 1 month, if you want to consume the product or you want to buy again, you can get the coupons. Or after 1 month also, if you need, you can get the coupons with discounts, and that's how it is helping us. Exchange schemes. Various exchange schemes are going to help to promote sales promotion. Discounts 50%, 70% off, premium offers. What are the different offers? Premium offers is very high offers or very creamy offers which will attract the consumers. Personality promotions. What are those personality promotions? To suit your personality, what is suitable, that sales promotion tools helps us to understand, and we buy the products. Installment. What they give us installment facility, so through that also we do the sales are increased. Now if we see trade oriented sales promotion, in that what kind of trade oriented business, to increase business, or industrial sector, what kind of trade oriented tools are there? One is cash bonus, one is stock return. Then if the stock, if we are not able to sell the product, we can return the stock. That kind of contract they sign between industry sales promotion tools. So if that assurance is there, then we can make our business successful. Credit terms, to get the credit means udhar milna, और ज़्यादा स्टॉक हुआ है, to return it back if we are not able to sell it at the proper time or within the time of the contract. Dealer conferences, what dealers do, dealer give their own kind of remuneration, their own kind of discounts and their own concessions. Then dealer trophies, what this dealer get for doing very well business, they get the trophies. And conferences are held, so that discussion is held among themselves. If you do so and so sale, you will get this incentive or bonus. So that conference helps to get the information about the kind of business or for the particular trade. Push incentives, to push the sale, that is to increase the sale, we get certain incentives. Our next topic is public relations. As you can see, what are the different types of ways of public relation? You can see in this small kind of diagram how they have evolved. Means evolution means starting of the public relation, how they have increased day by day, and now what, where they have reached. In this scene, we can see we love PR. PR is public relations. Here you can see the one person is giving interviews to the media. Why he is giving interview? To create awareness and to create public relation. To understand public relations, see the definition. Public relations is a planned process to influence public opinion through sound character and proper performance, based on mutually satisfactory two-way communication. Public relations is what? It is a planned process. Why it is? To influence public opinion. Means to influence the people, to change their opinion, to make a good image, to create a goodwill for the organization through sound character. How it is done? Through sound character and proper performance, based on mutually satisfactory two-way communication. How it is based? It is based on mutually satisfactory two-way communication. Means always remember, any communication or mostly public relation is obviously two-way communication. That is communication from both the sides. To understand more better way, we can see this slide. First is tools of public relation. What are the tools? Press release. Like any news, we want to reach to the public at large. What we do? We release the press. So through press release, we can create a good relation, a good bonding between the people and the company. Exclusive stories, very good stories are there, they are highlighted, they are told to the people, and through that also relations are built up. Company newsletter will give a full explanation or full information about the company. Transparency, it creates transparency. Interviews, press and conference, and sponsor event. These are the various tools of public relation. Now you can see external media. There are two medias which help to create good public relation: internal media and external media. Under external media, we all are aware of these: newspaper, radio, magazine, television, film, traditional media. These are the various media which helps to create good public relation. Then internal media. Among internal media, house journal means in-house journal. There is a magazine, company magazine for the people, or newsletter which helps the employees, the stakeholders, the shareholders to understand how is company progressing. Bulletin board, like in the company there are certain boards are fixed, and on that boards information is stuck up to create a good relation between the management, between the company and employees within the company. Annual reports are submitted. These annual reports are the reports which helps to understand what was the output, what we have achieved. And printed literature. Literature is nothing but the article about the company. Public relation, PR, involves what? It involves evaluation of public attitudes and opinions. What it does? It evaluate. Evaluate means it examine. Examine the attitude and opinion. Then it helps to formulate and implement the policy for communicating with its publics. After that, coordination of communication program. Unless and until we coordinate, like for example, if I'll not tell you, how will you understand what is happening in and around? So for that, I need to communicate. So, and in that communication also, coordination should be there. Stepwise coordination should be there. Developing rapport means developing goodwill through two-way communication process. Fostering positive relationship. Goodwill will help us to create positive relation between organization and public. You can see the functions. There are four functions. First is community relations. It helps, public relation helps us to bridge relations between the people, business, or community, or to bridge the community gap. And it also helps through programs that improve quality of life in their communities. So such programs or activities help to build good community relations. Next is now PR helps us to create good employee relations, obviously by understanding them, by creating good image in the eyes of employees, by helping them when in problem, by solving their problems, by providing good service to the customers also and to the employees also. Next is product public relations. How product public relations are created? When new products are introduced, they are in a first stage. They are not familiar with everyone. So to create good involvement, good attachment, the improved product visibility or product public relations are created to tell us about good things about the products, quality, and how usefulness and emotional connect. Next important is public relations are very important to help and to understand our financial analyst, as well as to help the investors whether they should invest in a particular company or not, or they should avoid to invest. So this is what public relation is going to help. Now to understand this, to understand in a better way public relation, here is certain videos which I have taken.
This is a message from the future. Hi, I'm the next rider, the one who's going to be taking the Uber right after you.
You obviously don't know me.
Or me.
But still, you can take care of all of us by just taking care of yourself.
Make sure to take all the safety steps seriously.
Sanitize your hands.
Wear a mask.
Don't be in a hurry. Please wait for the driver to disinfect your car before you get in.
Make sure your mask is on at all times.
And don't forget to sanitize after.
I know it's a lot, but it's going to keep you safe.
And when you're safe,
I'm safe.
me too.
Me 3.
Me 47.
All of us.
Because safety can spread too.
Helping us to understand how public relation was created between the Uber company and the people at or the common people. They were also telling us about what kind of safety we have to take during this corona or pandemic or during this COVID-19 which we are facing, and this is how we can take care of ourselves. There is another ad which helps us to understand sales promotion technique through different advertisement. Just have a look on this advertisement also.
सोनू चलो।
माँ बोल दो प्यार से बांधे।
इसकी रक्षा करूंगा मैं।
एक सेकंड, अपनी रक्षा ना मैं खुद कर सकती हूँ।
तो हर साल राखी क्यों बांधती है?
तो तू हर साल अपनी पॉकेट मनी बचा कर मेरे लिए कैडबरी क्यों लाता है? मुझे अपनी चॉकलेट की रक्षा करनी भी ना आती है।
मुझे दे माँ।
कैडबरी सेलिब्रेशंस का रिच ड्राई फ्रूट कलेक्शन। इस राखी खुशियां ले चलो।
Isn't it a beautiful ad which attracts the consumer to buy the particular product? So this is what we have learned from this particular ad, sales promotion technique through festivals.